Hi, I'm Dr. Nate Farley with Revive Dental Implant Center. Today I want to talk to you about our price guide. We made this price guide because we wanted to provide you with as much information as you needed as you're trying to make a decision if you want to even come in and see us. We've got two different scenarios here for if you're just missing one or two teeth, but you've got the rest of your other teeth and you just want to know what options you have and what are some of the costs. This is going to be the page you want to look at. Now on the other side, on this page, this one is the full arch stuff. This is if you are already without your teeth or you know that they all got to go. This page will walk through the different options with the most popular one being option number 2. So one of the programs that we have at Revive Dental Implant Center is something we call Smile Steps. And the idea is that if you don't have the finances to go all the way to the end, but you want to be there one day, and we definitely want you there one day, is you can break it into parts. And what that means is wherever you enter, you can start there, but then upgrade one piece at a time. So it's kind of like if you start here, all of this is still possible. But if you start in the middle, you can still finish it out to the end. One of the other things that I want to talk about is this page here where it mentions our lifetime warranty. Once we get you into permanent teeth, when I say permanent teeth, I mean teeth that are made out of zirconia and they are strong, okay? These teeth we have built through lots of trial and error years and years ago until we found what are the best materials and what are the best methods to create teeth that are what we say is like a tank. I mean, these things just don't break. Now, if they were to ever break, we've got your back. On the very next page, we have what we call a comparison chart. We did this because we are a very unique office. There is so many things that we have in one place that I would dare say you're not gonna find anyone like us in the whole state of Arizona, maybe even throughout the country. I mean, honestly, take this anywhere in the country and see how we stack up against any other center that is trying to do this very complex treatment. Just some of the examples on here is it talks about us being specialists. Everyone that practices here, we're all specialists. And as specialists, we're going to be able to provide a very high level of care. Another thing, which I kind of just mentioned, is that our lab is on site. We started that lab years ago as just a small lab inside of our practice. And we hired some technicians, we trained them in our methods, and over the years, that lab has grown more and more and more. By having a lab on site, we are able to control the entire process. Every step along the way, we know exactly what happens, and at every step along the way, we can fix anything that we see. And so the quality control is just amazing. Plus, because of that, we can control the timeline of the lab work. And so if we need something in a pinch, we'll be able to do that. So there's just so many benefits of having an on-site lab. Towards the end of the price guide, what we have is a bunch of patients who we've worked with. We've got this section right here, which I'll call it patient stories, where we have 3 patients where we tell a little bit more about their situation and their experience. If you turn the page, now we've got a whole lot of before and afters. Now, you know, we've chosen 8 right here, but if you want more than that, we have lots of these on our website. Just go to our website, find the before and after page, and we keep adding to that list over time. So it just keeps growing and growing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning more about our price guide and why we made it for you. So please take the time, read through it, give us a call, make a consultation, and we'd love to talk to you more about these things.